Hey guys, okay, so today in the 3-minute do, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these things. It's a cup catcher, and what we've got is you've got, here we go, I'll show you how it works. There we go. Oh, I didn't catch it. No, I didn't stay focused. Okay, let's have a go again. Oh, that's not good enough. Okay, we're using up all our time. I'll catch it later on. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make one of these. Alright, so what you're going to need, before we get started and I show you, what you're going to need is you're going to need some scissors. Snip, snip, scissors. You're going to need like a craft knife, or I've got a precision blade here because that's really cool. Precision blade. You're going to need a balloon. You're going to need one balloon. You're going to need a cup. There we go. 1 cup. You just need 1 cup. You don't need a marker. I don't know why I've got the marker. You might need a marker. You'll need some tape. Look, I've got pretty colourful tape here. And you're going to need some kind of ball or softball. So I've got some pom-poms there. That one's gone, those are gone. I've got some polystyrene balls there, which you saw. Oh, I've got some ping pong balls, and that one's gone as well. So you're gonna need something like that. All right, okay, so let's get the countdown timer started, and we will get you showing you how to do this. So the catch is, remember, I've only got 3 minutes to show you guys how to make this. Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Countdown timer on. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to start off, did I say paper cup or a plastic cup like that you can cut through? I don't know if I said that. I'm using up time. But anyway, so what you want to do is you want to cut out the bottom of the cup. So you're going to go around, here we go. I'm using the blade to do that. You could try use scissors, or you could make a starter with the blade or something like that. But basically, whatever you can do, rip it out there with your teeth if you need to. You're going to cut a hole in the bottom of your cup. Okay, go right there. Look, hey guys, that's ripped out there. There we go. We've got a hole in the bottom of our cup. All right, so then what you want to do next is you want to get your balloon. I'm going to pick this pink balloon because I think pink and black go quite nicely together, but you could do all sorts of colors. You could get different colored cups. You can get different colored balloons. You can maybe draw on them and decorate them or anything like that. Did I talk through what I was saying? You cut the top off. You cut the top off there so that you've got this happening. All right, and then what you want to do is you want to tie a knot in, I don't know what that bit's called. What do you even call this, the mouthy inflatable part? I don't know what you would even call that, but that's the part that you tie off that end, the long end there. All right, okay, once you've done that, then all you're going to do is you're going to, like a shower cap, kind of like a shower cap or a swimming cap, we're going to put it over the top of our cup like so. All right, then what we need is tape. Oh, what should we mix it up? Should we go, I think, blue and pink and black? We'll go some blue paint. I've got some pre-taped here. Okay, and then what we do is we just now, here we go, tape it around to keep it on there nicely. You could use duct tape, you could use sellotape, you can use masking tape probably. You could even try gluing it on maybe, but tape is going to be a lot faster. Alright, so how long have I've got a minute left. I need to make these challenges a lot harder. You guys are like, come on, Kyle, you're just making these too easy for yourself. But there we go, there's our cup popper there, and then, here we go. What you want to do, what you can do, you can hang out with that, try this. See, what you got to try and do is shoot it up. Oh! And not hit the roof. Okay, there we go, focus on it, there we go, catch it, focus. Oh, see how high you can get that going up there. We got 39 seconds left. Whoa, hey, that one was a good one. All right, so then, hey, there we go, and it bounced out. But there we go, look, I've smashed that challenge. Look, guys, I'm sorry, I haven't even got, look, I made this little basketball here as well. I drew it, that was what the marker was for, but I don't have any spare balls left, but pretty much, look, I'll show you how to make one of these as well on this here. So you just want to do a line around. So you got a little mini basketball, another line around, 8 seconds left, another line around. Oh no, I can't do that. And then you got to do little circles on either end over there. That really probably didn't make sense, but I had to show you something. There we go. The timer is done, finished. 3 minutes, easy peasy, so simple this one is to make. And hey, you can go make one of those, show that with your friends. You can see how many, what could you get multiple in there maybe you could put some extra ones in there, and let's see. No, that's not going to work. But hey, this is a great reminder, because when you shoot this out here like that, you focus on. It's a great reminder, because this can be really uncertain what happens, but in uncertain times, when things are uncertain, I've lost the, oh my goodness, when things are uncertain like I am right now, I guess what you know, it's a good thing to do to help you feel calm is to focus on what you can be confident about, to focus on what you do know, and that's a great thing to remember. And hey, go make one of those, go find some things, have a play around with that and see what you can do with that this week. Awesome guys, but that was a 3-minute do. Have a great week, go show your friends, go tell people, go play with that and make one of those, and we'll see you later. Catch you later guys.
Gained.